Hi, welcome to Think Human. I'm Chris, and in this video I want to talk about an amazing picture called the Hubble Deep Field. This picture, taken by the Hubble Space Telescope, has about 3,000 objects on it, and most of them are galaxies. So, depending on how much you've seen pictures like this might seem like kind of average. Even though the universe is amazing and this is a fascinating thing to look at, then it might seem quite ordinary if you've seen stuff like this. But to put it in context, it's more important how the picture was actually made, or more precisely what it was made of. So what they did, they pointed the telescope at a totally random part of the sky, and to give a scale of the area, imagine standing outside with the stars out and having like a dime or €1 coin, and holding it out in arm's length away from you, looking at the sky, pointed at the sky. Now, the Hubble Space Telescope took a picture of the space, the area that the coin would have covered, stretched out from your hand. So truly tiny part looking at the Earth, at the night sky. Like if you have a full moon, it would be like a small part of the moon in the total sky around us, 360 degrees, just a tiny random part. And they looked at this picture and they keep looking at it with the telescope to collect enough light that's been traveling for billions of years just to reach this telescope, and we see this picture, and we just see the scale of it in such a small space. We thought totally random place. We see thousands of galaxies that all have hundreds of thousands of stars just like ours, that have a supermassive black hole in the middle, that can have countless life forms in it or not. Strange either way. And yeah, it's just, and you think about, you could point the telescope at any small part of the sky and you would see more or less the same thing. So that gives some kind of sense of scale at how enormous and immense the world that we live in really is. So I think that is interesting. Sometimes we get really carried away, and it might seem kind of distant in a way, but this is the world, the actual world we live in. Most of the universe is like out there, and we're sometimes a bit too caught up what's happening with down here. So I just thought it's interesting and wanted to share this, and hope you enjoyed, got something out of this, and thank you so much for watching, and take care.